When settling on what cookware and bakeware to have at home, you might not think it necessary to go out of your way to find the best cake pans, but trust me, it is. If I hadn't personally baked thousands of cakes in my life, I would have assumed that a cake pan is a cake pan is a cake pan, and any one of them would do just fine. After all, so many cake pans look exactly the same, so how much difference could there possibly be? There are numerous cake pans options available, each with unique features, advantages, and costs to support you in making a wise choice. I read a ton of reviews, conducted a ton of research, and eventually compiled a list of the top cake pans from reliable brands for people just like you. I thought these things were quite helpful. Make sure to read my description if you're interested in learning more about the cost and other details. Consequently, let's get right into the video. Number 1. Highware Cake Pans, Healthy Coating. Our non-stick coating is a food-grade safety coating with no harsh chemicals or hazardous substances. The true double-layer coating allows the cake to be easily removed without damage. Avoid making it difficult to clean the cake because it sticks to the pan or leaves a lot of cake residue. The stainless springform buckle provides smooth, easy release. The stainless steel springform buckle has been upgraded, which is stronger and easier to switch but will not fall off or crack, allowing the cake to be pulled out perfectly with little effort. Include 50 pieces of parchment paper. If you are a fan of traditional baking, congratulations! The parchment paper will bring back the traditional baking experience. To prevent the cake from sticking to the chassis, combine with other designs to remove the perfect cake while also sucking away excess oil. Less oil means less fat and better health. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The premium material allows the pan to heat up quickly and evenly during the heating process on the stove or in the oven. With a heat resistance of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the food can be baked safely and presents a perfect look. Number 2. Fat Daddios Cake Pans. Bake cakes and desserts for your next birthday, holiday, and wedding celebrations with Fat Daddios Pro Series anodized aluminum round cake pans. It is a baking essential for kitchens, bakeries, cupcake shops, and restaurants. Ideal for round-tiered and layered cakes and deep dish pizzas. Seamless and straight-sided. Rolled rim for easy handling. Safe for citrus-based foods. Built to last through daily use in both the home kitchen and commercial establishments. Hand wash recommended. Anodizing is not a chemical coating. It is an environmentally safe process that contains no chemical additives, dyes, PFAS, CFCs, PTFEs, or PFOAs. The anodizing process is the reason Fat Daddios bakeware will never chip, flake, peel, pit, or rust. Fat Daddios Pro Series bakeware and pastry tools are trusted every day by baking enthusiasts and bakeries around the world for professional results. It is built to last through daily use in both the home kitchen and commercial establishments. Number 3. Wilton Cake Pans. Versatile pan. Not only can you bake one of those delicious cake in this Wilton cake pan, you can make monkey bread, baked macaroni and cheese, and even roasted chicken. Convenient handles on the round baking pan are designed for easy handling in and out of the oven. The pound cake pan measurements are precise pan measurements that are permanently stamped on handles for quick, easy reference. Non-stick performance. Durable premium non-stick coating on our pan allows your food to slide or pop out easily, making cleanup almost effortless. Non-stick bakeware sets are a must-have for busy cooks. Care instructions. This Wilton Cake Pan non-stick is dishwasher safe. However, for best results, wash the cake pan in warm, soapy water before first and after each use. Includes 1 cake pan. Dimensions 9.51 x 3.37 in. 24.1 x 8.55 centimeters. Limited 10-year warranty. Number 4. Wilton Cake Pans. Make cakes worthy of celebrating with this Wilton Perfect Results 8-inch square cake pan set. Great for square cakes, brownies, cookie bars, rice cereal treats, and more. This square pan set is a must-have for bakers and decorators. The durable construction of this bakeware is perfect for everyday use. Use it to bake everything from sweet to savory, from dinner to dessert. The non-stick coating provides excellent release for easy cleanup, and the convenient handles are designed for easy handling in and out of the oven. The durable construction also helps thread heat evenly and resists warping for years of use. Best of all, this set includes 2 8-inch square pans, so you can make dinner in one and dessert in the other. This product contains steel iron, aluminum, zinc, manganese, phosphorus. Number 5. Chicago Metallic Cake Pans. Two-piece cake pan. Featuring a two-piece tube design, this pan is ideal for baking perfectly formed and shaped angel food and bundt cakes. Easy to use when the pan is inverted. The feet allow the cake to evenly cool as air circulates underneath, and the center lifts out for effortless removal of the cake from the pan after it cools. Premium quality, made from heavyweight carbon steel for superior heat conduction and even baking. With a silicone-based, non-stick coating for simple release and cleanup. Standard size, measures 9 to 1/2 inches in diameter by 4 inches high. This pan holds approximately 16 cups, or can prepare 1 box cake mix. Easy care, hand washing is recommended to extend the life of the product.
That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.